In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Medieval Dynasty with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Multiplayer or co-op was introduced into Medieval Dynasty in a somewhat recent significant update. All that you guys have to do to play multiplayer is to set up a session. You will be able to have up to 4 players in a session together. So first, one of you will have to host it. So choose the option to make a new game or a new save and choose between the maps. Once you select a map, you might be able to find this co-op available. If you don't see co-op, change the map or update the game to the latest version available. Everyone needs to be on the same version to play co-op within Medieval Dynasty. So once you choose the map and you choose co-op, you will be able to see the session code if you are hosting the session. Copy the session code and share it with everyone who is going to be joining the session. Once you start the game as the host, you will go through the usual character creation screen, and once this is done and you pause the game at any point, you will be able to see the current list of players inside of that session. For everyone else who is going to be joining, all that they have to do is choose the Join Game option from the main menu, and immediately the prompt to input a session code is going to appear. They can paste the session code that the host sent over, and they will be able to connect. Like I said, you can have up to 4 players in the same session. Everyone will be able to make their own individual unique character. And, of course, each of you will have your own skills and abilities. As long as the host remains on the game, everyone will be connected and good to go. If the host leaves the session, then everyone is going to be disconnected, and you simply have to repeat this process whenever you guys want to play together again. Make sure that you are on the latest version of the game, and you will be able to set up a session. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Medieval Dynasty with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.